Hello, everybody. Josh Hayes here with a quick market monitor for this week. We're in the midst of a holiday week with low volume trade. Markets are pretty flat at the time of this recording this on Tuesday afternoon. One of the things I definitely still want to jump on and get out to everybody is that we are getting the numbers in with basis this week. I've already gotten a call from somebody talking about basis improving, asking about making a sale. So I do want to note that we're starting to see basis getting better. Patrick has talked about upcoming recommendation that we'll see here in the next week or two about locking in basis with soybeans. So that is coming. I would definitely say only sales needed for cash flow should be made right now because we anticipate prices to improve here soon, just along with basis. But I do want to get to those numbers this week. So let's go ahead and get to that. With corn, we are starting to see basis improvement. It looks like we're seeing things improve most to the east, but with corn, we're also seeing basis improving in places such as South Dakota and Nebraska. We think this is just the start. This is expected. This is what we were anticipating. First sign that prices are going to start getting better is they start offering better basis. So we're seeing that with corn. You see on the next slide here with soybeans, it seems to be improving most in places like Illinois and Indiana, not improving quite too much towards the west. Des Moines, still negative basis and still very negative in places like Mitchell, South Dakota, and Nebraska and Minnesota. But we are seeing that tide turn a little bit. Looking at international prices, you can see there as well. There's not even a price posted for corn in Brazil, not a price posted for soybeans in Argentina. It's an indicator that there's not a whole lot extra to sell. We still have the best price for corn. We've gotten pretty darn close to Brazil, so things have tightened up quite a bit there. We've definitely gotten much more competitive with soybeans. China continues to buy. There's definitely all sorts of indications there that the bottom that we saw, this decline we've seen with soybeans might be coming to an end. So that's something to watch for us going forward. And you also see that we're getting a little bit more competitive with wheat as well. They are still having some logistical issues in the Black Sea region and in Russia, with ongoing back and forth that's taking place between Ukraine and Russia. So overall this week, the picture is improving. We do anticipate prices to start climbing, and we're already seeing it in basis. So the brief market monitor this week, but like I said, we are seeing some numbers that we want to share that are better, and watch out for a recommendation shortly on potentially locking in basis with soybeans. That's all for this week. I hope everybody has a great Christmas, and we'll talk to you again next week. Thanks.